Hello there. In this tutorial we are going to cover how to add a product into an article in Joomla and also how to link an article directly to a product. There's basically two ways of doing this. One of them is where you have the article with a little button that says book now, or whatever words you want to choose, make a reservation now, for example. And the second option is that you directly embed the product within the article itself, so the reservation or the booking or the purchase can be made directly within the product. And we're going to cover both methods now. So the website we have here is Club Activo Cycling, and you'll see we have things like road bike tours, the Tady West tour on Monday for example, and the book now button simply sends a WhatsApp. But what we're going to do is link that to a product in the shop, and I assume there's already a product in the shop. Tady West Monday, there it is. So there's a product there, it's already been created, and we need to link to it from this article. So I'm going to open that in a new tab and then open that article. I'm going to copy the title for that article to make it easier for me to find and go into the admin backend. And we have two road bike and e-bike. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first method, which is to directly embed the product, and then I'll show you how to link it as well. So if I want to directly embed this product in the article, the best way of doing this is if I go into eShop, products, search for that product, and we've got two products there. One is the road bike tour, and the product number is 1. So if the product code is number 1, first product, it's easy to input. All we do is we go to the article, road bike tours, and I'm just going to jump straight to the end, and then I'm going to paste some code in here, and paste. And basically what we're saying is, because it's a curly bracket at the beginning and the end, we're saying execute this code. And in Joomla there's a plugin for the shopping cart that says wherever you see this code, insert the product, and the product ID is 1. So if I click save here now and I go to that page, you'll see here it says book now, and that links to WhatsApp. But if I refresh this page, you can see now it's actually got the shopping cart product, and it's exactly the same as the shopping cart, and people can select options and make their booking. So for example, if I click add to cart now and click checkout, it takes me into the cart's checkout. Now another option is where you just simply link to the product. To do that, we need to know where the product is. So that's why I have the product open in this page. And what I'm going to do is copy the URL from this // forward. So we copy all of that. And what we're doing is we're creating or copying a relative link. So from wherever you are, it's relative. If I go to the item now, let's go down to the bottom, and I'll just put some code in here to start a new paragraph, and then I'm going to put a code in to create the link. And paste that in, and I'm going to change this By putting class read on for, it changes the style of the button, but I need to put some text between these square brackets as well. Okay, if I save that and then go to the product or the article and just refresh, you'll see now there's a button there that says click here to book, and if I click that it takes me to the product. Let me just go back, and also we have this option where it's embedded, and we have this option here where people can send a WhatsApp. So I hope that helps. If you get stuck, just get in touch. We've got lots of other video tutorials as well.